Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This video is gonna be a DIY treatment for dandruff. If you're like me, you probably get really bad dandruff in the winter. I have dandruff basically all year long, and in this video I'm going to show you a DIY trick or a DIY method to get rid of your dandruff. The product we're going to use to get rid of our dandruff is something that we can find in our bathroom cabinets. My hair does look like a little crazy right now because this is 2-week hair. This is 2-week hair, and after week 1 I kind of give up on it, like just wear it in a ponytail and stuff. But yeah, so we're gonna use Listerine to get rid of our dandruff, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is my hair right now, and I want to show you guys how my dandruff looks. You can't really see a lot of it. Okay, well there's a big chunk, but there we go. So you guys see that, and you know there's a lot more of this on my scalp. My scalp is actually a little like scabby right now just because like that's just how my dandruff gets. If I itch it at all, like I'll end up getting like raw spots, and like sometimes I itch in my sleep. I'm gonna take our Listerine, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the Listerine into the spray bottle. We're gonna do 2 parts Listerine and 2 parts water. I personally like to do 3 parts Listerine and 1 part water, just because I know my scalp and how it, you know, how it reacts with the Listerine. That's not too much for me. Some people's scalp may be too sensitive for 3 parts Listerine and 1 part water. But what we want to do is we want to section off our hair into about 4 parts, depending on how your hair is styled right now. So my hair is straight, so I don't exactly need to section off into really small parts to get all of my scalp. When I wear my hair natural, I probably section my hair off into 4 parts or even smaller than that. I also forgot to mention, when applying the product, you want to massage it in and make sure your scalp is completely coated. But some of the benefits of using Listerine besides curing dandruff is like it promotes hair growth. Listerine has some antifungal properties, and it helps with, you know, just a lot of dirt and things that might be just mustering in your scalp. Back in the day, they actually used Listerine as a treatment for dandruff, and it was actually advertised as something you can use to treat dandruff. Using Listerine on your scalp also promotes growth. The Listerine really gets in and like pulls up all the dirt, like literally even spots that I didn't think I had dandruff. After I use the Listerine, like I like kind of like scratch my scalp and I have like all this buildup and residue that I couldn't see before that the Listerine just pulled up. And all that dirt and, you know, dandruff and residue actually can stunt your hair growth. So I know about the in-between bits, the gory bits of you and gory bits of me. Yeah, so I recommend doing this every time you wash your hair, just because we want to make sure that your scalp is very, very, very clean. You want to make sure that you apply Listerine to your scalp before shampooing. I've tried shampooing first, then using Listerine because I thought it would like help. Basically what ended up happening is after I put the Listerine on my scalp, I had to shampoo again because it brought up even more residue. So you want to use the Listerine first so you can get it all up at once, and then we clean it up with the shampoo. We want to make sure Listerine doesn't come down our hair shaft because it can be drying. To our scalp, we're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes or so. But after that, you want to rinse using shampoo, and then, you know, wash your hair as normal. Alright, so I just shampooed my hair and conditioned it. I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks now that I've rinsed it. So My scalp is like so clean now. There's like literally no buildup, no residue. I can scratch my scalp and I don't get anything like coming up. My scalp right now. It's nice and clean. Look at that. Awesome. Nice and clean. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my like quick hack to get rid of dandruff. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you try it, and if you tried it, let me know how it works. But thank you guys for watching, and thank you. Should I do a washing, girl?